Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at blockchain and the Internet of Things, IoT uniting two technological frontiers. 1. Introduction. Convergence of technologies, blockchain and the Internet of Things, IoT, represent two transformative technological paradigms. The integration of blockchain with IoT holds the potential to enhance security, interoperability, and autonomy in connected devices. 2. Security and trust. Immutable data integrity. Blockchain's immutable ledger ensures the integrity and traceability of data generated by IoT devices, mitigating the risk of tampering or unauthorized access. Decentralized authentication. Blockchain-based identity and access management systems enable secure and decentralized authentication of IoT devices, reducing reliance on centralized authorities and potential single points of failure. 3. Challenges and considerations. Scalability. Blockchain scalability remains a challenge for IoT applications due to the volume of data generated by IoT devices and the computational overhead of consensus mechanisms. Integration complexity. Integrating blockchain with existing IoT infrastructures requires careful planning and may involve upfront costs and technical complexities. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory frameworks governing data privacy, security, and interoperability may vary across jurisdictions, posing compliance challenges for blockchain-enabled IoT deployments. 4. Future directions. Edge computing and blockchain fusion. Edge computing technologies combined with blockchain enable real-time data processing and analysis at the network edge, enhancing efficiency and reducing latency in IoT applications. Blockchain governance models. Experimentation with novel blockchain governance models, such as proof-of-stake, POS, consensus, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, can foster innovation and resilience in IoT ecosystems. 5. Conclusion. Blockchain integration with the Internet of Things promises to revolutionize how devices interact, transact, and collaborate in interconnected ecosystems. By enhancing security, interoperability, and autonomy, blockchain empowers IoT applications to unlock new efficiencies, improve transparency, and drive SUS.